There are multiple FICO scoring versions you must be aware of. The most commonly used for lending is FICO 8. There are 5 active generations of FICO scores: FICO 98 in 1998, FICO 04 in 2004, FICO 8 in 2009, FICO 9 in 2014, FICO 10 and FICO 10T in 2020. A new type of FICO score named Ultra FICO score was released in 2019. The FICO 95 credit score released in 1995 and Equifax FICO 98 scores are not longer in use. FICO 9 is similar to FICO 8, but differs when it comes to collections and rent payments. FICO 9 counts medical collections less harshly than other accounts in collections. So, a surgery bill in collections will have less of an impact on your credit score than a credit card bill in collections.